A rupee goes a long way. It sounds good. It is an interesting story about the journey of a coin. Let us see what is in this story. Good morning, students. So, as we were reading Unit 3, a rupee goes a long way. A rupee goes a long way, which is written by Ruskin Bond. And the main character of this story is Ranji. Ranji had a 1 rupee coin and he made his way to the Jumna sweet shop. Why? Because he wanted to buy some jalebis to eat. But the coin was not good, it was too old. So, shopkeeper denied to give jalebis with this coin. Then Ranji shrugged and took the coin back and turned on the road. When Ranji was wandering through the bazaar, then suddenly he heard a familiar voice behind him. And who was that? That was Mohinder Singh, Ranji's friend. So Ranji asked for Mohinder, "Where are you going?" So Mohinder said, "I was fishing in the canal all morning." Ranji stared at the fishing rod and he wanted to take this fishing rod. So he asked the Mohinder, "Will you lend it to me?" Mohinder was angry. So he said, "Okay, I will give you with the worth of rupees 2. Then Ranji said, "I have only 1 rupee coin and it was very old because the sweet seller would not take it." So Mohinder Singh said to the Ranji, "Okay, I will take it because my uncle collects old coins. So you give it to me and I'll give you to the rod." So they exchange. They have exchanged rod, fishing rod, and coins to each other. Okay, वो एक दूसरे से exchange कर लेते हैं fishing rod और coins को. So this time Ranji was happy to make the exchange. So he took the fishing rod and waved goodbye to Mohinder and set off. And after some time, he saw a truck and he shouted to him until he stopped. When the truck stopped, then he asked to the driver, will you please take me to the river?" So this time driver was agreeing. So he said to the Ranji, "Okay, climb up in the bag." Ranji climbed into the bag and soon he was watching the road move away from him. The truck was stopped near the riverbed and Ranji got down and thanked the driver. He began walking along the bank, but the river was dry and it was just shallow muddy stream. Ranji walked up and down without finding water deep enough. So for the smallest of fish, "No wonder Mohinder let me have his rod," he muttered. So he was muttering that time, "So Mohinder let me have his rod and it was useless." Okay, so with a shrug, he turned back to the road. Okay, so when he walked back to the road, walked back to the bazaar, then he saw a boy was playing a flute. Okay, so Ranji stopped that time and Ranji was once again stirred his magical flute. Okay, his magical flute. Okay, and the boy was also stopping the play flute, and he was also stirred fishing rod which was in Ranji's hand. Okay. Now let me see what is in this story. Next, okay. Did you catch anything? No, said Ranji. I didn't stay very long. So the boy asked to the Ranji, did you catch anything with this fishing rod? So Ranji said, no, I didn't stay very long. Because there was a long silence, and then Ranji said, it's a good rod. Okay. Ranji said to the boy, it's a good rod. This is a good flute, said the boy. Then boy said to the Ranji, this is a good flute. Ranji took the flute and examined it. Examined it means looked carefully something. Okay. So Ranji was examining the flute. It was good or not good. He put it to his lips and blew hard. There was a shrill, squeaky noise, and a startled magpie flew out of a mango tree. Okay, startled, it means surprised in a sudden and unpleasant way. Okay, so it flew out of a mango tree. Not bad, said Ranji. So Ranji examined the flute and then he said, it is not bad. The boy had taken the rod from Ranji and was looking it over. Not bad, he also said. Okay. So Ranji took flute with the boy and the boy took fishing rod with the Ranji. Okay. And both are satisfied to make this exchange. Okay. Both are satisfied to make this exchange. Okay. So now Ranji hesitated no longer. Let's exchange. A trade was made. Okay. Trade, it means an exchange of things or goods between people. Okay, students. You know, students, in ancient time, when the coin was not discovered, so people were trade to exchange the goods. Okay. जो एंशियंट टाइम में जब कॉइन्स डिस्कवर नहीं हुए थे तो उस समय ट्रेडिंग जो होती थी वो गुड्स को एक्सचेंज किए जाते थे और उसके बाद उससे ट्रेडिंग होती थी. ओके. सो दैट वाज आल्सो कॉल्ड बार्टर सिस्टम. ओके. सो नाउ so this time is happening same. A trade was made. Okay. The boy exchanged his flute with the fishing rod and Ranji exchanged his fishing rod with the flute. Okay. The boy took the fishing rod and went on his way. Ranji began playing the flute. So Ranji has started to playing the flute. The notes sounded lovely to him, but they startled people who were passing on the road. When he came to the clock tower where the bazaar began, he sat on the low wall and blew vigorously on the flute. So when Ranji came to the clock tower where from the bazaar started, so he sat on the low wall and blew vigorously on the flute. Vigorously, it means full of energy. So he was just started to play flute with the full of energy. Okay, so I can play better than that, said a boy who was carrying several empty milk cans. Okay. So Ranji was thinking this time, I can play better than that. Okay, said a boy who was carrying several empty milk cans. Okay. So this time a boy was passing through the Ranji who had empty milk cans. So, okay, I can play better than that, said a boy who was carrying several empty milk cans. So this time a boy was passing through the bazaar, and when he heard a flute sound which was playing with the Ranji. So this time the boy was thinking, can play much better than this boy. Okay, so let's see, Ranji said. रंजी ने कहा ओके चलो देखते हैं. Now turn your page. The boy took the flute and played a lovely little tune. Okay, so here is also a boy who had empty milk cans. So he took flute with the Ranji and started played with a lovely tune, a little tune. So you can have it for ₹1, said Ranji. Okay, so Ranji said to the boy, you can have it for ₹1. ₹1 में तुम इसे ले सकते हो. I don't have any money to spare. Okay, I don't have any money to spare. It means I don't have any extra money to buy the flute. Okay, so the boy answered to the Ranji, so I have no any extra money to buy this flute. Okay, he showed Ranji's pretty necklace of brightly colored stones. So the boy had a pretty necklace which colored was very bright. Okay, and it was bright colored stone. It was made by bright colored stones. Okay, so the boy showed a pretty necklace to the Ranji, and he told to the Ranji, so I have no money, but I have a bright colored stones necklace. If you want, then you can take it, and we can make exchange. Okay, so the stones are very precious, said the boy. They were found in the mountains near Tibet. The boy said to the Ranji, this stone is very precious and it is only found in the mountain near Tibet. Okay, so Ranji knew the stones had little value, but they were pretty. But Ranji knew the stones are not very precious. It had a little value, but they were looking very pretty. So Ranji thought this time, why I cannot make exchange to this boy. ओके, तो इस टाइम रंजी जो था वो टायर्ड भी हो चुका था, और अब उसने सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं एक्सचेंज कर लूँ इस बॉय से. सो दे मेड द एक्सचेंज एंड द बॉय वेंट ऑफ प्लेइंग द फ्लूट. Ranji was about to thrust the necklace into his pocket when he noticed a girl staring at him. Thrust it means pushed quickly. Okay, pushed quickly. So Ranji pushed quickly this necklace in his pocket, because a girl was there also who was staring to him, and her name was Koki. What was the name of girl? Her name was Koki, and she lived close to the house. Koki lived close to the house, and he was staring from long time to the necklace. So Ranji was panicked this time, and he put this necklace in his pocket. Hello Koki, he said. Ranji said to the Koki, hello Koki, what's that you have got Ranji? A necklace, would you like to have it? वो necklace जो तुम्हें पसंद है, चाहिए? Oh thank you, said Koki, clapping her hands with pleasure. ₹1, said Ranji. Ranji ने कहा ₹1 में दूंगा मैं. Okay? Oh, said Koki. She made a face. Made a face, it means showed she was not happy about having to pay for the necklace. Okay? So Koki said, oh, I have to pay ₹1 for this necklace. So she showed an unhappy face, but Ranji was looking the other way and humming. Koki kept staring at the necklace. So Koki was continuously staring to the necklace, and slowly she opened a little purse, took out a shining new rupee, and held it out to Ranji. Then, because Koki wanted to this necklace, so she opened a little purse and took out a shiny new rupee and held it out to the Ranji. Ranji handed her the necklace, because Ranji got this time new ₹1 coin. So he handed her the necklace. Then he ran across to the Jumna sweet shop and tossed the coin on the counter. Okay, now this time Ranji was very happy because he got a new 1 rupee coin and he wanted to eat jalebis. So he once again went to the Jumna sweet shop and tossed 1 rupee new coin on the counter. Okay. Then jalebis for a rupee, he said. He said to the shopkeeper, jalebis for a rupee. 1 rupee ki jalebis chahiye. Okay. The sweet seller studied the coin carefully and said, always at your service, sir. He filled a paper bag with the hot jalebis and handed this over. Now this time, sweet seller accepted this coin. Why? Because it was new. So he said to the Ranji, we always at your service. So he filled a paper bag with the hot jalebis and handed over the Ranji. When Ranji reached the clock tower, he found Koki waiting. Okay, so once again when Ranji bought jalebis, so he went to the clock tower, but there he found Koki was waiting. Oh, I'm so hungry, she said, giving him a shy smile. So Koki was also hungry. So he said to the Ranji, oh, I'm so hungry. And she was giving just a shy smile. Shy, it means Sarmila. Okay, Sarmili wali smile. So they sat side by side on the low wall and Koki helped Ranji finish the jalebis. So both eat jalebis and this time both were happy. Why both were happy? Because at last when Ranji made exchange with the Koki, he could fulfill his wish. And what was his wish? His wish was that he wanted to eat jalebis. So when he made exchange with Koki, so he got a new coin. Okay, new coin, and then he tossed to the shopkeeper, and then he found hot jalebis. Okay, so this time, and the Koki wanted necklace. Okay, Koki was also wanted necklace, so he also found it. So both were happy this time. So this was the story about a rupee goes a long way. So have you seen, students, how a rupee goes a long way? Okay, how a rupees goes a long way. So once again, I hope you must have enjoyed with this chapter. You will read the chapter.